Whether you are going skydiving, mountain biking, or simply looking to vlog your daily life, having a quality action camera can be extremely beneficial. The best action camera can capture high-quality photos and videos in almost any environment, from snowy mountaintops to rough, rocky terrain and even underwater. So, in today's video, we present you the top 5 best action cameras that you can buy right now.
On Tech Insight, we offer the perfect buyer's guide for all kinds of tech products, including PCs, laptops, accessories, and any other tech gadgets you can think of. Our specialized team of tech experts research and analyze the market and create a list based on pricing, quality, features, and user feedback, ensuring you get the absolute best in each category. To find the best suited products according to your specific needs and preferences, watch the full video and look for the purchase links in the description.
The DJI Osmo Action is an exceptionally rugged, compact action camera that is jam-packed with advanced technology and a perfect fit for current DJI users who want to stay within the same ecosystem. It sports a powerful CMOS sensor, allowing you to record professional high-resolution 4K video at up to 60 FPS. 8x slow motion with 1080p resolution at 240 FPS is also available to capture every epic move with jaw-dropping clarity and detail. Plus, still images can be captured in up to 12 megapixel resolution in RAW or JPG format, and when you rotate the camera 90 degrees for taking stills, it will automatically change the portrait mode. Speaking of the display, this pocket-sized camera somehow manages to fit a dual screen in its tiny frame. A vivid 1.4 inches front screen allows you to preview your image when you're in action or taking selfies, while the 2.25 inches back screen covers the entire back of the unit and provides a hyper-responsive display. Furthermore, the lens features 3 spherical layers that effectively reduce glare and distortion, delivering crystal-clear images even in direct sunlight. Utilizing DJI's rock-steady electronic image stabilization with complex algorithms, it delivers stable, shake-free footage no matter how heavy the action gets. Sporting a temperature-resistant watertight seal and a hydrophobic coating on the back touchscreen, it is waterproof at depths of up to 36 feet, making it the perfect underwater companion. As for the sound signature, there are built-in dual microphones with noise reduction technology and dual speakers. In addition, you can input audio with an external microphone using the USB Type-C input. There's also a quick switch button which ensures modes and settings are easily and quickly accessible. Overall, with its great image quality, plenty of shooting modes, and that selfie screen, the DJI Osmo Action can be a great choice for you. The Hero 7 Black is an entry-level action camera in the GoPro's revamped lineup, which is designed to capture super smooth footage of your latest and greatest adventures. Equipped with a CMOS sensor, this camera can shoot up to UHD 4K resolution video at 60 FPS. Still images can be captured in up to 12 megapixel resolution, and in burst mode, it is capable of taking 30 images per second. With an ultra-high frame rate in 1080p at 240 FPS, you can slow things down by up to 8x to relieve the moment with slow motion. The 2 inches intuitive touchscreen features 3 major capture modes with streamlined settings, as well as touch zoom, which allows you to frame your photos and videos. With hyper-smooth video stabilization, this camera can predict your movements and adjust for camera shake to give much smoother footage without the gimbal. Choose the Super Photo function to apply intelligent HDR, local tone mapping, or noise reduction for optimal still shots. The Time Warp video can capture super stabilized time-lapse videos by increasing the speed up to 30 times to turn longer activities into shareable moments. Moreover, the ProTune feature enables you to manually access and adjust color, ISO limit, sharpness, and other advanced settings to unlock the full potential. In addition, the built-in microphone has been redesigned to prevent vibrations pickup, allowing it to record more subtle sounds. Up to 33 feet of water resistance makes it suitable for surfing, snorkeling, and swimming activities. Overall, the GoPro Hero 7 Black is a highly polished action camera that is a great value all-rounder for anyone who wants a waterproof ally for their smartphone or main camera. The Insta360 1R Twin Edition is a highly versatile modular action camera with a unique concept that will suit videographers in two minds about whether to shoot in 360 degrees for virtual reality or just regular 4K video. It allows you to switch between a wide-angle 4K camera for shooting 4K 60fps video, a 1-inch sensor camera for shooting 5.3K video at 30fps, and a 360-degree camera for shooting 5.7K spherical video at 30fps, giving you a lot more flexibility. Featuring a 1.5-inch reversible live view touchscreen, this camera can be set up as front or rear facing, which lets you shoot standard video as well as selfie and vlog videos. Talking of features, it comes with flow state technology which provides gimbal-like stabilization. With advanced image processing and an AI-powered finishing algorithm, it can preserve high details to make your footage clear and steady even in low light. The Bullet Time 2.0 shots put you at the heart of the action, while automatic horizon leveling and smart speed ramping make them easier than ever. Plus, the Star Lapse mode also available, which automatically adjusts exposure settings to capture brilliant, sweeping time-lapse of the night sky. Rated at IPX8 waterproof up to 16.4 feet deep, this camera can handle accidental dunks whether you are in a poolside with surface-level swimming or on a rainy day ride. When it comes to audio, there are two built-in microphones for capturing quality sounds, and you can even record audio wirelessly using the onboard mics of wireless earphones. Overall, if you fancy having the versatility of a 4K action camera with the option of turning it into a 360-degree cam, then the Insta360 1R Twin Edition can be worth considering. The GoPro Hero 8 Black is a versatile next-generation action camera designed to capture smooth, stable footage with incredible detail, fantastic contrast, and blur elimination. With the ability to capture footage in 4K at up to 60 fps, this camera gives users the technical ability to match their creative needs. Still images can be captured in 12 megapixel resolution at up to 30 images per second, and the Super Photo along with HDR support helps reduce blur and enhance detail in low-light situations. The intuitive 2-inch LCD touchscreen provides quick and easy management, while it understands 15 voice commands in over 10 languages and accents, so you can verbally control the camera. Featuring updated Hyper Smooth 2.0 stabilization, this camera can produce smooth, gimbal-like movement at all supported frame rates without the need for a gimbal. The Time Warp 2.0 functionality lets you capture super stabilized time-lapse videos while you are moving, and it has an automatic speed selection so you can simply tap to speed up or slow it down. Plus, the Live Burst function allows you to record 1.5 seconds before and after your photo to give you more choices for the best frame. Plus, the built-in directional mic with advanced noise suppression actively filters out wind, vibration, and handling noise for crisper audio quality. It can be submerged in water up to 33 feet deep without the need for external housing, making it ideal for surfing, snorkeling, and swimming activities. Overall, if you're a vlogger or an adventure filmmaker, the GoPro Hero 8 Black can be an excellent choice for you. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is a fantastic, high-quality action camera with some truly impressive software stabilization and effects for both video and stills. With a larger 23.6 megapixel sensor, This camera can shoot video up to 5K resolutions at 30 fps and 20 megapixel sharp, pro quality still images. It includes a large 2.3 inches rear touchscreen with touch zoom and an additional 1.4 inches color display on the front with live preview, which is incredibly helpful for previewing and fixing your shot before you start rolling. In terms of features, the all-new HyperSmooth 3.0 digital image stabilization with in-camera horizon leveling lets you produce even smoother, more stable videos without a gimbal. With hindsight, you can capture 30 seconds of video before you hit the record button. Plus, RAW mode provides the most flexibility in editing and is available for single and multi-shot sequences, while the Time Warp 3.0 enables you to record mesmerizing time-lapse videos. Moreover, the three microphones with advanced wind noise reduction perform well in reducing background noise to acceptable levels while still keeping your voice audible. As far as durability is concerned, it is designed rugged for virtually all weather conditions and is waterproof down to 33 feet right out of the box. To conclude, the outstanding image quality coupled with comprehensive features makes the GoPro Hero 9 Black the most powerful and versatile action camera for your next adventure. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Inside.